Hello, my name's Dustin Atwood, ASC Certified Master Technician for about the last 20 years. Everybody knows about oil changes, very important lifeblood, but there's a ton of systems that also have fluids running through them that should be taken care of, and typically nobody maintains them until they have a catastrophic failure. So differential service, transfer case, transmission, power steering, if it has not been converted, or a new electric model, brake fluid, those are all lifeblood fluids that if you don't take care of them, or at least don't check them from time to time, you will have a catastrophic failure. Now, what does that mean to you? If you will service those systems before the parts break, bottom line, they will perform many thousands of miles longer than running it on the initial fluid that the manufacturer put in there and you drive it until it breaks and fails. As well as maintaining those systems you can do on your time and your budget. If we run it until they break down, all of a sudden now it's an immediate emergency and you have to figure out how to come up with those funds and your car to be down for a certain amount of time. I don't want you in that situation. So if you got a trusted service center, we call it a vitals inspection here. Get it in, have them go through the systems, give you a baseline of where you stand. Then you're an informed consumer and you can make a decision on your time and budget that is not an emergency. It's much less stressful. Make sure that you're dealing with it on your terms instead of the tow truck's terms. I hope this has helped.
Seeburg Service Center, your auto repair experts.